Hello children, welcome to 5th standard English. Today our topic skill development activity comprehension.
Children, today we are going to do your book activity page number 89. Children, listen this passage. I read this passage, listen carefully and then read the passage 3 times and color a camel each time. Okay, are you ready to do this activity? Okay children, listen. Once two merchants lost a camel. How many merchants? Two merchants lost a camel. They met a boy who was passing by and asked him if he had seen it. The boy said he hadn't seen the camel. He asked, "Was your camel blind in the right eye?" "Yes, it was," said the merchant. "Was it lame in one left foot?" asked the boy. "It was," said the merchant. "Was its front teeth missing?" asked the boy. "Yes," they said. "Did it have honey on one side and wheat on the other?" "Yes," they answered. "Please take us to it." "But I haven't seen your camel," said the boy, "and I don't know where it is." The merchant got angry and said, "Really, how could you tell us everything about our camel?" "That is my secret," said the boy. The merchant took him to the king. The boy told the king that he had not seen it. Then the king asked him how he knew so much about it. The boy said that the camel had eaten grass only on the left side of the path. So he knew that it was blind in the right eye. The marks of its one left foot were faint. This showed that the camel was lame. While eating grass, it had not eaten the grass in the middle. So he learned that it had lost its front teeth. There were ants carrying grains of wheat on one side of the path and flies eating honey on the other. Children, read the passage 3 times and color a camel. Children, what did you understand from this passage? That boy observed many things and then understood. He said what he saw. Okay children, now your turn. Find and write the clues. Clue for blind eye. Children, what is clue for blind eye? Think and answer it, children. The camel had eaten grass only on the left side of the path. Okay. Next, clue for lame. It had left a little tuft in the middle. Okay, so that was the second clue. The third clue for lost teeth. It had left a little tuft in the middle. That was the third clue. Okay, and the fourth clue for the load on the camel. Ants carrying grains of corn on one side and the other path, flies eating honey on the other. Okay children, complete this activity in your book. Let's see the next activity. Dialogue writing. Children, we have already know to write dialogues. Let us quickly recap the 4 steps to write a dialogue. Step 1. Look at the question and understand the topic. And the second step, read the dialogues and understand what they are talking. And the third step, think what you will say if you were talking. Okay. And the final step, write it. Okay. So children, now can we try to write? Pause this video, children. Write your answer. The lion and the rabbit. The rabbit said to the lion, "Great king, as I was coming to give myself as lunch for you, another lion blocked me." The lion got angry. "How can another lion live in the forest? Take me promptly to his place." The rabbit showed the well. "Ah, yes," the lion said. "He looks like me. Here, I will jump in the well and kill him." Finally, "He foolish lion, it was not another lion, it was your own reflection." The rabbit was happy. Children, I hope you will create your own story.
Thank you children. We will meet in the next video.